Hello guys, I'm here with Taylor today.
Hi,
My apparently insane girlfriend. She's a girl and she's the only girl I have that is a friend.
And guys, I'm Yunus being one, and I was also one. I'm 9, and he's 9. I'm 9.5, and you're 9 and almost.
No?
Well, you're not 9.
No, I am 9. No, tomorrow I'm 10.
Oh.
So guys, we're gonna focus on my fishies. Hi sister. So we have a Plecostomus, a very beautiful albino Oscar.
Hello. Can I touch you? Why am I not touching it?
As you guys can see, two Texas, a
Have you talked about
A
this one? It's pretty cute. It looks like a
that
shark.
is a iridescent shark.
A shark?
That is a red-tailed shark.
Where's it? Oh my gosh, you have sharks in your tank.
No, they're freshwater.
Are they going to eat
They're
me?
the closest thing that can show us that look like sharks. And we also have a gari. I can't go outside, as you guys can see. These are just updates. This is an update video. There's the gar. Bye, mommy. This is just an update video on how all my animals are doing. Okay, guys. So, guys, we're gonna go outside. Okay.
Bye.
Bye, mommy. Love you. Bye. Okay, guys. This
And
is
guys, I might also have a YouTube video.
Yeah.
YouTube, like,
So you might be my cameraman.
your shirt. I'm bad at cameraing. What? Oh.
It's an iPad. You have an iPad, right?
No. Mine was old and I had to be given away. No, just kidding. I had to chuck it away. Come.
Okay.
Let's go.
I'm coming. Okay. So, I have to be in front. So, guys, we have a fireplace over there, everything like that.
Let me just show you guys.
Also, do this. Look, guys, she's not. Do this to zoom and to out zoom.
Okay.
So, are we gonna?
I'm bad at this.
Just don't click anything.
Help me, please. Help me. I can't see anything. It's too hard.
No, it's okay. You just gotta focus. Just keep recording me and don't aim to the ground. Aim at me.
Well, where's you? Where? Where? What? Oh, there you go.
So, guys, don't blame our recordings.
Guys, I'm terrible at recording. Just letting you know.
But yes, okay, guys. We're looking for the tortoise. This is the last place that we saw it.
She was right there. Oh my gosh, it's weird. Oh,
I know.
hi, does it feel? Where is she? Do you see her?
No.
Is she cute? Just kidding, she is. Guys, seriously, her little face is adorbs. Make sure I don't step on her face. She's too big for me to even step. Right?
What do you think? That's a
I'm
nice
very
necklace.
short, guys. I was on the bed, so.
What is that poison ivy?
So I was probably looked a little tall, but I wasn't that tall. Guys, I promise you, if I was that tall, I think I would be a giant. I'm very short. That's true. I'm like the shortest person in my class. It's so sad.
And I'm the tallest in my class.
You are? Is it a joke?
No, I am very sure. Why is this sand so nice?
Oh, it actually feels so nice.
I'm gonna sleep here.
You're flying. No thanks.
Just okay. No, yeah, just like no thanks.
Okay. Where's your snorters? Oh my word, I just called her snorters. What's her name again?
He's dragging these nuts on your chin. That's your name.
Okay, cool.
Okay, her real name is actually Sahara.
Sahara's a lovely name.
Because
Sahara! Hey, no! Step on
tortoises are reptiles. Reptiles love the heat. The desert in South Africa is the Sahara Desert.
Mm-hmm.
So
Guys, maybe she's by that tree there.
So guys, we'll see you guys on part
There she
2.
is!
Where? Oh. What are you doing, you little brat?
Say hello to Sahara. Sahara, you okay? Amy, come closer. She is so adorable.
So yeah, guys, that's my tortoise.
Yep.
Looks like your mom as well. So yeah. And any queen? Hello, queen ant. No. Okay. But yeah, guys. So it's like everything. I do have a lot more pets.
Guys, it's Orbeez. Just kidding. Other thing.
They are Orbeez.
Can't touch them.
Well, if you're holding that camera, no.
Look at
See my cameraman, no. This is our lack of fireplace. Is it still smoldering? I think so. So,
Well,
guys, we are gonna sit here because guess what? We have lizards
You do.
under this.
Ah,
Last time when I lifted this up, we had seen 2 lizards. One ran over there and then we managed to catch one. But then Luke, he wanted that one as a pet, and I said that you cannot keep as a pet this species. I suggest if you want to keep a lizard, keep a crested gecko. He just ignores me. Hopefully there's some lizards under here, hopefully. But it was like days ago, not even weeks. Like, yeah, a few weeks. But
Oh my hair.
so, yeah, we have lizards
Ah,
there.
my legs. Oof. Oof, da. I don't know what I just.
I'm gonna ask Omi.
Taylor to stop holding this camera. Yeah. Here's the camera.
No, I'm gonna ask Omi if I can start a fire.
Are you sure she's gonna say yes? Okay.
Can't be that bad.
do you-
Can't be that
How
odd.
do you pause?
Huh?
Can you not?
I don't think you can. So yeah, guys, we'll see you guys. I'm Pot. Baby. Oh wait, no, we forgot one. No, no, we forgot. Yeah, we did. And we also look at me. We also forgot. Where's she? Where?
I don't know what she's doing. Baby.
What's up? I just killed her.
No, you didn't. Please never.
Okay.
Come on. Come on. Don't be scared. You're fine. Guys, I also love animals. Oh,
Like your
there
dad.
she goes. There she goes. My dad doesn't like
Does he hate them?
No,
I hate your dad. No, feel it, feel it, feel it. Feel it.
Fine. Oh, my word.
It's so slimy because there's not any water.
Ew, something does touch me.
The Orbeez.
I've got a green one.
I got a daddy. Just get out down. Okay, come on. Taylor, do you want me to lock you outside?
I need to dry my hands with this.
I think we're locked. Talk like what? Like what? It was a joke. No, we can't. Everybody does. Okay, guys. Plivies. The Plivies.
Slithers!
The Plivies is doing great. My ants are doing fabulous.
And I'm dying though.
Just kidding, guys. I have not checked on them. Oh, look. The queen's dead.
Oh my gosh, actually. No, you're kidding.
Oh, no, she isn't.
Is that a fly?
Oh, look. They actually killed it. They've been eaten. You know, I can tell. There's a ripped off wing.
Ew. But the queen's huge.
The queen's beautiful. No, she's beautiful. I